Okay, I had a video paused and it just ended. I don't know. I have that issue sometimes, so I'm starting the video again. We're waiting to see if we have any trading opportunities. In the video that I just made a minute ago, I just I pointed out that we had these levels that we were looking at. Now, hopefully, if I pause the video, it won't end it. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. Okay, the video didn't end, so I'm back. We're looking at the 1 minute now. There hasn't been really a big move, but it's just hanging around there. We could, we could do something like this if we wanted to, just to have another level, some kind of reference, and then you can even say that the price is at if you want to call it a micro trend line. Doesn't look like much. We want to see some evidence that this wants to push higher. So we're on a 5-minute chart now. This is the line I just drew. And the 5-minute bar will end in, a couple of minutes, 2.5 minutes. So maybe we'll get a signal here. We have, on this account, this is a demo account, this 5.00 does not mean 5 standard lots. It means a half, it's like a 0.5. So you have to be careful. You have to know about the instrument you are trading. This should be something like $5 a point. Okay, so that's what we'll be doing if we take a trade. We're monitoring our level. The spread looks like before it looked like it was 1 point. So right now you could see it's 2 points here. Right there just went to 1, right? So it's really two pips of spread, 2 points of spread. What's happening here? Can this act as a little bit of a support? If we have 2 points of spread, you could see that this blue line is about 7 away. This is about 15, 25 points away. This horizontal that we had there for whatever reason. I probably did something on a different time frame. But anyway, that's what we're working with now. So I don't know. Should I pause the video? Should we wait till this 5-minute bar ends? Let's see. If it seems like it would try to carve out another leg here, I may go long. Okay, so that we have a 5-minute bar. Looks like it's pushing up. You know what? Let's go long. Now, here are some things to take note of with this approach to trading. You see that the market really closes in 2 hours, about. You're looking at a 5-minute chart. You did some drawing on, look, you could say an hourly chart, right? So you want to realize that Is the market going to get some kind of follow through? Should you scratch the trade? Then this gets a little more involved. That although I prefer to do it in the morning, are you okay with scaling in? Right? If price moved down to here, right, it might still be a decent area to trade. So, if that was your plan, I'm not leaning that way. Right now, this is the afternoon session, and I was watching the market earlier, so I'm sort of, I don't want to put a ton of effort in here. I just wanted to illustrate, some drawing and a potential scalp. But that's another way to look at this. I will not, if this price starts moving down here, I'm not going to scale into it. I could put another horizontal here, right, or a little higher, and see that maybe this is a point that I would just exit the trade. All right, let's see if I can pause this one more time. Okay, so all I really did was I put a take profit here, which would be 15 pips, let's say, right? So we're in at 666, and we're at 671, right? So there's a profit to take, but this would be sort of this or a point higher would be the most I would look to take. I would, try to get in, get out, and, make a couple of bucks as we kind of move into the close. So 666, 673. Can it push? Let's go to a 1 minute chart. Can we get another nice bullish bar like this? Or should I just get out at, we don't want to give this away now, right? Because we're talking that we're up, say 7 points right now. So if we get another push, let's see. This is when this is scalping. We don't really want this. You don't want to let that profit go. See, I will give it a little wiggle room, but this is not, has to recover quickly. That was a nice bullish bar here. See, we're not really, the market's not moving very well. So I'm going to get out of this. I'm not going to like if it does enough, if it moves lower. I'm out. Okay. So that was basically not having not wanting to, and now it's moving higher. We only spent 15 minutes, so it's not like you can't keep going. But the point I'm making is that you don't want to push it. Yeah, it's not really, it's not doing much. That would that would be $40 on a standard, something like that, you know. So anyway, this this would have been the aggressive target, you know, relatively speaking, and it stalled. We got out. We still took a little bit of a profit, and now it's moving lower, and that is it. Thanks for watching.